Okay, so if you like to see us just tone it down a little bit with the socks and transform these plain royal blue socks into these beautiful bling socks, keep watching this video. Okay guys, let's get right to it. I'm going to be using some Aleene'S Fabric Fusion. Yes, I'm trying to run a test. I've never done it with this type of glue before. I usually use E6000. I have these really pretty flower claw 12mm rhinestones. They're super pretty. They have a nice little sparkle and shine to them. And I have added this vendor to my vendors list. If you've ever purchased my vendors list before, I can send you the updated version if need be. The vendors list, if you don't have it, it's on my website for sale, myroyalradiance.com. So I've already dotted on the glue that I want. For something like this, if you want something a little more toned down, you don't want all the heavy jewels and bling and chains and brooches. Maybe you just want that shine, but you just want it to be a little more low key. Now this can be even more lower key if you want to space them out. But I decided to go a little heavier on the bling. So I'm just doing a nice little dot of glue. Again, this is Aleene'S Fabric Fusion Glue. The great thing about this glue, I can barely smell it. So there's little to no smell. For me, it made sense to lay the actual sock display down. Let these sit because they're on a heavier side. If you have it standing up, gravity will play games with you and they'll just kind of fall off. So you'll see me go back and forth between each sock throughout the entire video. I like to let it dry at least a good 15 to 20 minutes before I flip it to the other side. Another great thing, if I didn't say it already, this glue is non-toxic. It's non-toxic, so that's great. The cure time is 2 hours. But if you want to go ahead and wash the socks or the garment or whatever you use this on, if you do it on a shirt or jacket or something, you want to give it 48 hours before you actually wash it and submerge it in water. So this is fairly simple. You can just kind of follow along what I'm doing. And the sock displays come in handy, but I just have to angle it and move it different ways just to kind of fit my comfortability. You do the same. So I'm using my wax pickup tool. They come in handy and they're very, very helpful when you're applying rhinestones or pearls to certain things. Sometimes if you're picking up something that's a little heavy, it'll keep dropping. So sometimes you just have to actually pick up some of the pieces and sit them on, but it was kind of okay with this. So I'm almost finished. This is a very simple design. This is very beginner friendly. Look at that big old glob of glue. I know I got it at a kind of not good angle. I didn't realize it at the time. But look at that big glob of glue. So you just want to be careful with that. Sometimes the tip of the nozzle can get just a little clogged. So if you have something like this happen, as quickly as possible, get that glue off of there. Move it to another area because you don't want to have that stain of glue on your item. So I'm almost finished. They're coming together very nice. And I like this. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of these socks. I think these are so cute. Oh, I didn't tell you where I got these socks from. These are not the good quality, high quality socks that I usually use. I just wanted to test this out. I like to use my good socks that I ordered from the free vendor. I'll have it in the description of the vendor that I purchased the socks from. I like to use those socks when it's like a sock I'm making for someone, or like, you know, but when I'm just trying to test something out, I'll just use a sock. Because I had bought when I first found out about these junk socks, I went to the hair supply store and bought a bunch of socks, y'all. But and I was using these when I was making them for people, but as I noticed that there's a better quality, I'm like, let me just do some research. So these socks are decent. They're not super thin like the ones from Temu that I had in a previous video. Oh, here I'm doing a pull test, y'all. It was kind of hard because I was trying to hold the camera. The sock display is not that sturdy, but I'm just kind of showing you. And I don't want to go too crazy because it hadn't been, I don't think the full, yes it was the full hours. And I was just kind of showing you how strong of a hold. See that hold? So it's holding on there really good until the display fell. But yes, this is a hair store sock. It's decent, but the ones that I have, like when I'm making like a real sock for someone, they're a lot longer, so you can really get a good scrunch going on. They're a lot thicker. These are okay to begin with or to practice with. But I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested. And thanks you guys so much for watching. And also, I really like when you guys give feedback and let me know how the videos are helping you or inspiring you. I greatly appreciate those of you who order from my website. You guys are really positive and really kind. I greatly appreciate that. And thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury-inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.